Hey, what is up guys? My name is Yatin and welcome back to another episode of the highlights of the day. So let's get started. So starting from Amazon Me TV has been launched in India as a video streaming platform that showcases a range of web series, comedy shows along with beauty and fashion videos. The new Mini TV video streaming service is available within Amazon Shopping app for Android users. It is available free of cost and is also supported by advertisements. The Mini TV banner is showing up on the Amazon app's home page, clicking on which takes you to the Mini TV landing page. This has content from top YouTube creators like Ashish Chanchalani, Prajakta Kohli, Sejal Kumar and Malvika Sitlani. Now next comes to Telegram. After COVID-19 vaccinations opened up for the 18 to 44 age group in India, appointments via CoWIN portal were made mandatory. Getting appointments has been difficult from the beginning because slots gets booked up in short order. So people turn to scripts to check the site automatically and to bots on Telegram to send alerts when appointments are added to the portal. Although Telegram did not share about the number of downloads it has seen during this period. Now let's come to Amazon again. Amazon will no longer offer monthly Prime membership in India. Moving forward, the e-commerce giant will only be offering 3 months or annual Prime memberships. The Prime subscription amount began at Rs 129 per month, but this starting pack has been removed to adhere with new Reserve Bank's mandate. RBI's new guidelines ask banks and financial institutions to implement an additional factor of authentication for processing recurring online transactions. The deadline for implementation of this new mandate has been set for September 30. Before moving on next topic, please don't forget to give this video a like and also don't forget to share. Now next comes to Realme. Realme 8 5G is getting a new additional RAM plus storage configuration in the Indian market. Earlier in April this year, the phone was launched in 4GB plus 128GB variant and 8GB plus 128GB storage options. The company has now added a 4GB plus 64GB storage configuration to the lineup. Apart from the change in the storage capacity, the specifications of the phone remain identical. Realme 8 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 700 chip and features 6.5-inch display with 90Hz refresh rate. And last comes to Apple. Apple may announce the third generation AirPods and the rumored Apple Music Hi-Fi music tier on May 18. The company is reported to not done with its spring announcements, with these two being reportedly announced in a more subdued manner. Apple won't hosting a dedicated event for these two products, but instead will opt for a press release via its website. The Apple Music Hi-Fi audio streaming tier is expected to include support for Dolby Atmos, Dolby Audio and lossless audio. The new rumors comes from Apple-focused YouTuber Luke Maini, who divulged this information exclusively to Apple Track. So guys, that's it for the news part but from today I'll be starting a new trend of facts of the day at the end of every video on this channel. So today's fact of the day is the world's first computer mouse was invented at SRI, that is Stanford Research Institute, in the 1960s and was called XY position indicator for displays. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you like it, and if you have any suggestions then please let me know in the comment section, and if you didn't like and share this video till now then please, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. As always, my name is Yatin and this is Known for Tech, and I'll catch you in the next one.